Well, folks, drastic times call for drastic measures, and I decided that it's time to zip out these roof braces, supports, because it's super rusted underneath there. And I think already some of the welding has let go right here. So there's 4 of them, 2 on each side. And we have the Walter white or the Walter yellow in the pit on deck, waiting to work with some surgical precision. Show you the other side. It's pretty bad. I think it's held on for dear life in just one spot. I forget where. Maybe here, or maybe on the front one. But I'm sure we can get that shaken loose. So yeah, I'll be back after I liberate this H roof formation. You've heard of H exhaust. This is H roof bracket support thingy. And just like that, guys, it's all over but the crying. So there's the infamous H from the roof of my car, from the ceiling, I should say. So let's take a peek here, what it leaves behind. Filming on my back. Here it is. So there's a pinhole here that's not where the brace went, but I just used the lap discs. All you young Padawans, don't run the stone, run the lap discs. Paper beats rock, remember that? So this came out fairly easily. Now I'm gonna take a wire wheel to it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna weld in the same bad bracket after I clean it up, or if I need to make something new. But I'll definitely need something. Maybe a roll cage for when we go 60 miles an hour. Maybe a roll bar. Or maybe nothing. There it is. Time to clean that up. Thanks for watching.